Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about Gini index. So now I will show you how to answer. This is the formula in here. And now I will put this one goal here. And now we can put like this. So this one minus 1 over 3, that is about 2x over number 3. The integration of x, that is about s squared over number 2. The next one, that is about s to the power of 3 over 3. The next one, that is about number 4. And then we put the powers from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here, and we got number 5 over 18. This is the end. Thank you for watching.